How to change the language of your Rail Madad application in your Android devices. So hey guys, welcome to this tutorial. In this quick and easy tutorial, I will be guiding you through the steps of how you can change the language of Rail Madad application. So in order to change the language of Rail Madad application, all you will need to do is simply launch the application by tapping onto the app icon. And once the application launches up, you will need to enter your PIN. So if you are using it the first time, you might also need to set up your account, or may be your email and password would be required to log in. But nevertheless, after you are done identifying yourself, you need to click onto this submit. And after the login process has been completed, you can see that this is the UI of the Rail Madad application. Now in this user interface, in order to change the current language, you will need to tap onto this language icon at the top of the UI. Once you will tap onto this icon, a list of different available languages will appear. Now from here you can choose different languages like Hindi, Marathi, Punjabi, Urdu, etc. So for example, if I choose the Hindi language, you can see that the app has successfully changed its language. So that's how easily you can change the language of your Rail Madad application in Android. So that was all for this tutorial. If this tutorial was helpful to you, consider giving this video a like. And if you have any suggestions or questions to ask, then you can ask them in the comments. And also don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel for more such exciting and helpful video content. Thanks for watching and have a nice day.